Welcome, food enthusiasts, to a world of culinary wonder where steam transforms ordinary ingredients into extraordinary dishes. Today, we're diving into the art of steam cooking with our vegan steamer recipes. Join us as we explore the healthy, nutritious, and flavorful world of steam-cooked vegan cuisine. Wait, before we starting I introduce you Alpillion supplement weight loss in 7 days. Now let's dive into the video. Next up, we have something truly heavenly, vegan dumplings. For this, you'll need dumpling wrappers and a delicious veggie filling. Dumpling wrappers, vegan dumpling wrappers, readily available at most grocery stores or Asian markets. Veggie filling, a delicious vegetable filling of your choice. Common options include cabbage, finely shredded cabbage, carrots, grated or finely chopped carrots, mushrooms, sliced or minced mushrooms. Scallions, chopped scallions, green onions, garlic, minced garlic for added flavor, ginger, grated or minced ginger for a hint of spice, soy sauce, a dash of soy sauce, use tamari for a gluten-free option, for seasoning, sesame oil, a drizzle of sesame oil for a rich, nutty flavor. Fill your dumpling wrappers with your choice of vegetable filling, fold them into your preferred shape, and seal them tightly. Now, place your dumplings in a steamer basket, making sure they have enough space to steam properly. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes until they become tender and translucent. Serve your heavenly vegan dumplings with a soy sauce and chili dipping sauce for that extra kick of flavor. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. If you enjoyed this video and want more plant-based cooking inspiration, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And remember, with just a few simple ingredients, you can create culinary magic right in your own kitchen.